In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A36, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app. From Launcher Studio Developer, Code Launcher OS. This one. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings and scroll to Hit Apps. Then select Choose Default Apps. Click on Home app and apply Launcher Pro by clicking on it. Then select Allow All in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, my Apple layout was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes to it, you can always access Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, go back to the same settings and tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!